Afamefuna is an Igbo origin male name that means my name will not be lost. In a real life context, it can be translated as my lineage will not be lost. As a man, let your name not die with you. Let your sons carry it on for generations to come. The movie Afamefuna, a Nwa Boy, aka Apprentice Story, premiered on November 26th in Lagos, Nigeria. Directed by Kayode Kasum, this movie captures the spectacular Igbo apprenticeship tradition. If you watch my Africa Day 2023 upload, I touched on that as well as 9 other things that make the Igbo people distinct. So do well to go watch that video. I'll leave a link in the cards as well as my description box. I for one can't wait to see the movie once it hits theaters on December 1st, which is literally just 2 days away. I'm so hyped. No, Chantel here, your fashion bestie, the best fashion critic and the curator of this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining today. If you like what you see, please do well to click on that subscribe button and also the bell icon that spells all videos so that you don't miss out on any of my interesting, incredible uploads. Okay, dress theme of the night was Igbo Extravaganza. As it is a tradition here, I always love to break down the theme so that everybody is on the same page when it comes to the roast section. Igbo, as many of us know, is a tribe from the southeastern part of Nigeria. Extravaganza, on the other hand, means something spectacular, something elaborate, excessive, exorbitant, to name a few. Merging the meaning of both words together, I would say that guests were expected to show up in something spectacular that depicts Igbo. Right or wrong, let me know in the comment section. So, using the aforementioned theme as my yardstick, let's see which of your faves will be roasted or praised in this episode of the Afamefuna in Nwa Boy Story premiere fashion roast. Number 1 on my list is new mama, actor and producer Blessing Nze, who came to support her husband that stars in the film. She donned this cute navy and gold bedazzled George number by Somi Apparels. Styled by House of Ama, they opted for an off-shoulder sweetheart neckline dress with matching skin tone mesh on the top area that extends to one of the sleeves. Corset details were not left out for that extra snatch. A top layer on the fabric was added to mimic the double wrapper trend you all know. For accessories, gold beaded paws, gold palms, matching gold gele, ichafu as we call it in Igbo, navy feather hand fan with Lolo inscribed in gold. Jewelry is a layered coral and gold bead with matching earrings and bangles. This look definitely depicts the Igbo style. Igbo brides are known to opt for this type of outfit in an array of colors. Everything is given. I'm going to rate her a solid 8 out of 10. Her husband, Stan Nze, is definitely giving Gen Z Iche, Gen Z Chief, Gen Z Mazi in this fit styled by Amdiddy. A cow neck Ankara longline kaftan paired with wide leg velvet pants with the matching print of the top on both sides. Infusing the Igbo culture perfectly with the red cap and ugo feather. Black beads with matching bangles for jewelry, chunky boots for footwear, not forgetting the akupe he's holding with Mazi Nze written on it. I love how he took us through multiple generations with this look. It's modern, yet ties with the classic Igbo style. The creativity on this is fantastic if you ask me. I'm going to rate him an 8 out of 10 for this one. Eneje brought extravaganza to Igbo on the red carpet. Red velvet Ishagu print floor length straight dress. Extreme off shoulder and low neckline with organza ruffled sleeves. Around her waistline is this elaborate bow detailed with beads and dangling stones. Hair of choice is Bantu knots that were adorned with beads. It suits her so well and it oozes the Igbo maiden. Jewelry is this set of chunky coral beads paired with matching earrings and bangles. Her makeup looks great. To tie everything together, she carried her Nza. I will rate Diana an 8.5 out of 10. One of my favorites for the night. I love it. Jnr is giving Igbo prince in this gold, black, and red ensemble. Styled by the Style Vault, this gold and black velvet jacket adorned with studs and this interesting faux detailing on both sleeves, which I love. I think it's absolutely stunning. Paired with black plain pants, the red chief cap with cowrie detail, and a gold emblem, I would call it, coral bangles, rings, and gold strap wristwatch for jewelry. Footwear is a patent leather lace-up shoe with gold zigzag design by the Shoe Block. I'm going to rate J on air. A solid and well-deserved 8.5 out of 10. Esther Uzodinma is giving Igbo maiden vibes in this pretty fit by Epic Costumes. Black velvet Ishagu print sold as a crop off shoulder top with mini skirts. Coral beads placed beautifully on her neck, head, ears, and wrists, complete with colorful waist beads, also known as jigida. She even took it up a notch with these traditional anklets that make sounds when the maiden is dancing or even walking. Igbo, yeah, but not extravagant in my opinion. It still looks good though, and I like it. I'm going to rate her a 6.5 out of 10. Shawn Faqua is giving confused Igbo extravagance, if you ask me. I mean, what in the world is going on with this outfit by Grehman? An Ishagu suit, which I like. I'm feeling the modern take on that. The pants sink as well. I'm not mad at the turtleneck top. It works-ish. The orange glasses and white canvas, they just have to go. Why are they there? I don't know what to wear, but let me just wear all of them. That's like the simplest way I can describe this look. Lace-up shoes would have given more of a clean, elegant aesthetic. The glasses might be expensive, but it's sure cheapening the look. I'm indifferent about the hats. I see the prospect, but with a different choice of footwear. It's giving I just got back one now. You know those confused ones. You all should ask your Igbo friends to translate that for you. For me, I'm going to rate him a 5 out of 10. Yeah. Just in the middle. Ikuku, Alex Ekubo, played it safe in this plain all black cohort base and a long line Ishagu jacket for pattern and pop of color by Shaw Boss Clothingz. Black rock loafers for footwear, gold bejeweled head walking stick for accessory, and for jewelry, he opted for this dual layered bead set with matching bangles and a silver dial watch with silver/gold strap. For this look, I think a 7 out of 10 is befitting. If you disagree or agree, let me know in the comment section. Okay. Kanaga Jnr went full-on rep your tribe in this outfit. Burgundy Ishagu top, red jord fabric underneath, also used as a scarf. The Abriba red chief cap, sunglasses, and walking stick for accessories. Jewelry is a mix of neck studs, necklace, loads of bangles, and a gold strap watch. A pair of sparkly slippers for footwear. For starters, the neck studs plus necklace is a bit too much, in my opinion. Either or would have worked better, way better. That being said, he stuck to the theme. I'm going to rate Kanaga Jnr a 7.5 out of 10. Kunle Remi didn't bring it this time, which is surprising because he almost always exudes go big or go home at each red carpet event. Super bland white kaftan with black loafers, a gold bangle, Apple watch, and sunglasses for accessorizing. Completely lacking the features that describe the dress theme. The style of the kaftan is nice though, but that's not why we are here. So for that, I'm going to rate Kunle a 2 out of 10. And that's basically because he attended. For someone who plays such a major role in the movie, Atlanta, Bridget Johnson, I truly expected more from you on the red carpet. Rocking coral beads on your hair, neck, and wrist, or even holding the handbag version, it doesn't capture the theme. As a matter of fact, coral beads are generic to all tribes, not just the Igbo tribe. So this accessorizing isn't doing a lot. It's not working in simple terms. The dress is cute, but obviously not for an event of this caliber. I'm going to keep the analysis of this look minimal because I think it speaks for itself. And just move on to my rating, which is 4 out of 10. To culminate this section of the Afamefuna, a Nwa Boy Story premiere fashion rose, is the director of the movie, Kayode Kasum, rocking this outfit by Deji and Kola. A net-like fabric, mid-length, long-sleeve shirt with velvet border detailing, paired with jord wrapper and plain black pants. Coral necklace, red cap with gold beads, rings, a walking stick, and this burgundy chunky sole footwear. Would have preferred the fit a bit more tailored on him though. This kind of looks rushed and mismatched on his frame, if you ask me. For that, I'm going to give him a 6.5 out of 10. Over to my favorite part of every fashion roast. Not just because I get to pick my favorite and my least favorite looks, both male and female categories, but because it is straight to the point. The analyzing section is very draining, if I'm being honest. Best dressed male on the Afamefuna premiere red carpet. I'm definitely going to go with Stay on Air. Every angle of that look was a gift that kept on giving. Every detail was so perfect and the fit on him was amazing. He looked well put together. Without a doubt, my best dressed male on the red carpet. Best dressed female, I will go with Eneje. She served in that dress completely, totally. Worst dressed male, this is an obvious choice. Kunle Remi, too bland, too simple, not giving anything. He just has to fall under that category. Worst dressed male, Afamefuna movie premiere. Worst dressed female, another obvious choice. Atlanta Bridget Johnson, not feeling that look, regardless of the accessorizing going on. Doesn't depict the theme at all. Doesn't capture anything regarding Igbo or Extravaganza. Let me know if you agree with me on that in the comment section. I genuinely think that most of the guests brought their A game to the premiere of Afamefuna, but it doesn't just end with me. Over to you. Let me know your favorite and your least favorite in the comments. Also, don't forget to rate my attire. Do I look like a sweet Igbo girl? Let me know as well in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not a member of the Chantel Nation already, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with your friends and family members. All right? Ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ, na nke ọma o.